Okay, see how we gonna do this. Everybody do, oh. Oh, I can't say I'm excited. I am not. Okay, so I just took out my cornrow tree braids. I was way too tired to do anything else with my hair, so I just tied it up and went to bed to deal with this another day, because you all know how this kind of hair is. The hair is so dry that you can hear it. Yeah, so the first thing I have to do is moisten my hair because it is so dry that I should not be manipulating it in its dry state. I have to make sure that it is damp and soft before I actually start to manipulate it. This is pure aloe vera juice, no water added to it. So you want to make sure the hair is not manipulated while it is so dry, because if you do that, you're going to just cause breakage and your hair is going to thin out, and you don't want that. So we want to make sure our hair is nice and full. Child. So before I section this, I want to make sure that it is nice and soft and it's easy to separate. Anyway, so now the hair is softer, and so shedded hair, I am going ahead and parting with my fingers so that I can detangle. So this is the hair I'm about to detangle. Again, this is just aloe vera juice, no water added to it or anything else. So here we go, starting with the finger detangling, making sure your hair is not supposed to be soaking wet, it's just supposed to be damp. Because my hair, when it's soaking wet, is a little bit on the weak side, you know what I mean? So I generally don't want to be combing it, you know, or detangling it while it is weak, in its weakest state. However, when it is just damp, it is soft. Softeroo. Not all 4C hairs are created equal. My sister, well, I didn't say not all 4C hairs. I'll just say not all African hair is created equal. Definitely, y'all know that. My sister has gorgeous hair. If I had her hair, absolutely I'd be embracing my, you know, my kinks. But this kind of hair, no ma'am. And let's see how it goes. Again, I have braids in here for a month. I was, you know, putting shea butter on my scalp about once a week, and I think we're good enough. So now I'm going to put in my pre-poo. Today my pre-poo is going to be black seed oil, which has become my staple, and hemp oil. So in the past I have used black seed and coconut oil. I have used black seed and olive oil. Hemp seed oil smells to me like a little bit like olive oil. So this is my black seed oil. Again, I do have half. I mean 1 part to 1 part. Okay, however much black seed oil I put in is how much of the other oil that I put in. I start from this scalp, because I definitely want my scalp to receive some of this nutritious oils. I want my scalp to receive some of these nutritious oils. And I have my paper towel handy, child, because you know we got time for that. Make sure my edges get some of this stuff. So I'm going to cornrow this very loosely. Why? Because this is how I will be washing my hair with these braids in them. Feels like butter. My hair feels like butter now. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Ladies and gentlemen, all done raggedy as it is. And I am going to sit with my warm bonnet. Cornhead. Here we're going to have to pull it a little bit further back, not too far. And Here we go. So if this gets pulled back, it's covered. Make sure the back is 100% covered. There's no possibility of seeing anything under it. Okay. So now I'm gonna go run my errands, and when I come back, I will deal with the nappiness. So this is it, you know, when you have things going on and you don't want to look a hot mess going out to run errands, and you're ready to go. So that's all, folks. Let's do this.